Peace, love, and life, family. This is Essie the homesteader out here harvesting and pruning back and getting rid of the leaves that have these nasty legs on there. As you can see, this mother is literally hatching her eggs on the leaves. I'm literally watching them come out one by one. And I know it may seem gross, but I thought it was pretty fascinating to actually see her actually giving birth. It's the weirdest thing, kind of like watching a dog give birth to their babies. But she doesn't know she's about to be a casualty as well. And there are a lot of them out here, so I'm just pruning back leaves, spraying, and trying to keep these suckers under control. But you know, nature takes its course, you guys, so it's not like we can just rid them. So yeah, I thought this was pretty interesting, watching her give birth to each one of these eggs that she's laying. But yeah, you guys, I hope everybody's week is off to a great start. And this is Essie the homesteader, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.